Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change text alignment on your PowerPoint slides on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and start creating your PPT slides, and after that you should go to your home page, select the text, and then you should tap on this text alignment section or button, and here you can find four options. So if you tap on it, you can see that the one row that you have pointed at has been changed. But if you would like to change the alignment of the whole text displayed on your slide, then you should select the whole text and then change the alignment together so it will move on your slide, as you can see the following way. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.